Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Chaim Ekstein and I'm super excited to be with you today where I'm introducing the 14-day passive income challenge, where for 14 days we're gonna get together for a few minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, sometimes 6 minutes, and we're going to talk about another element that's very important to you about your passive income life foundation. You see, when working with clients, I've identified 3 main areas that stands in the way of them building their passive income life foundation. And the 3 areas are as follows. Number 1 that stands in their way are expenses. They have too much expenses. As much as they try to start saving, as much as they try to start doing the right thing, expenses get in the way and they can't overcome that. Number 2 is liquidity. Let's say they have enough money saved. Let's say they're saving money. Let's say they're investing money. But once the money is used, the money is illiquid anymore. It's gone. It's something that works for them for one time and that's it. And number 3 that stands in the way is no trust. I mean, you work with a team of other people that help you accomplish what you want to accomplish. How in the world do you know whom you can trust and whom you cannot trust? Everybody has their best interest in mind. So how do you know with whom to work and with whom to feel confident that these are really the people that you can trust? And that's exactly why I introduced the ALM model, which stands for attract. Helping you with a system, with a model, how to attract savings, how to attract money that will help you in building your passive income life foundation. And number 2, how to have a healthy leverage system in place. Your money should not be used only once and then it's gone, but the money should be able to be used again and again and again and again. And number 3, with the problem of trust, we established a manage model that will help you with a system, with a model in place, how to manage the portfolios, how to manage the people, how to manage the team that you're going to be working with when building your passive life income foundation. In order to do that, we established a 14-day passive income challenge where over 14 days we're going to cover 14 separate things under the attract, leverage, and manage model, which will help you to establish your passive income life foundation. Again, I'm super excited that you are with us today, and I hope you're going to join me in this challenge. And if you want to get more involved in our passive income planning education, click on the link below for a free webinar, and I'm really looking forward seeing your success with our 14-day passive income challenge.